Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Brawl Stars. If you want to add friends in Brawl Stars game, first of all, launch the Brawl Stars game on your device and tap on the Friends button on the right hand corner of the screen. From the Friends tab, go to the left hand side and tap on Add Friends. You can scan the QR of your friends so that you can add them by tapping Scan QR, allow camera access for Brawl Stars, and then scan the QR code of your friend using the camera. If you want to add them manually, tap on Add Friends and click on Add with Player ID. Now, write down the player ID of your friend you want to add, and then, once you find the friend in the suggested list, you can tap on them to send them the friend request. You can also send the invitation link so that your friends can join into the game by tapping Share Invite and select one of the contacts or choose one of the messaging applications you want to send friend requests from. And that was how you can easily add friends in Brawl Stars. Adding friends in Brawl Stars enhances your gaming experience, allowing you to strategize and have fun together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.